everybody, welcome back to the Millmade channel. My name's Josh Miller, and today we're going to make a quick and dirty video. My son was just born a couple days ago. I've got a piece and all I believe is maple, a hard maple. It was destined for a fire pit. I figured I'd turn it to something destined for some baby spit. Let's get to it. Uh-oh. Alright, so might not be so quick and dirty. What the issue is I've opened up this guy. Working a little too fast. But it stops. Comes down through here and stops about right here. I've got a good 6 inches of material that I can probably use right here without having to worry about this. So I'm going to come back down to towards the tailstock. Yeah, probably turn a tendon off this side, part this guy off right past that check. That way I don't lose nothing. I'm hoping I can hold on to it. We'll see. Luckily that flew that way. Alright, I'm going to stop pushing my luck. I'm going to go ahead and cut it here. And then cut it here. And we'll get this back in the chuck. We'll start working on the actual shape. So the plan is to make a tendon down here. I'll make this portion spherical. I'll cut it in half, hollow both sides out, and then I'm going to fill it up with rice, glue it back together, turn the handle, shape it a little bit. Just make a simple baby rattle out of it. We'll see how it turns out. So basically right here I'm putting some reference lines on the blank. This will give me a basic roadmap on the shape that I'm wanting to go for, where to remove material and where to keep material. man. So I lost a piece of the top, but it might not affect me. I might be able to turn it down past the part that broke off. So I'm only gonna create a small hollow. So I'll hollow this pretty, I don't know, it's real small, maybe the size of a quarter, maybe a $1/2. But we'll get that done and then we'll see what we can do with this top. Be a hollow and end grain, so it's gonna be real chattery. So hopefully it won't give me any problems. I'm not going to take it any deeper than that because all I need is just a cavity for the rice to be in so it can rattle around and make noise. You know, babies like making noise. So we'll leave that like that. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to create a mortise on the base. And that way it'll give it a good glue surface to glue it back together when I put the rice back in and make the rattle. So let's get to it. Good shoulder right there, nice and sharp, no tear out. Let's get this thing off here and I will go ahead and get the top hollowed out and then we'll get it rice put in, glue it back together, and then we'll finish shaping this bad boy. First, quick tips with Joshy. Alright, pro tip time. Well, I won't call it a pro tip. It's something that I use to keep myself from getting too confused when I'm doing lidded boxes and whatnot. I draw a little diagram out and I show my shoulder that I just cut in the base, and then this tells me the shape that I'm going for on the lid. That way I don't accidentally cut something backwards or I eliminate too much material. This will keep me kind of just a visual to keep me on track. Figured you guys might like to know a few tips and tricks, so I just thought I'd share that with you real quick. Good tight fit right there. Alrighty, so basically all I'm gonna do is just put a little bit of brown rice. Type on 2, should be plenty strong enough. That puts us right there. I'll get this back in the chuck, put some clamping pressure on it for an hour or so, and then we'll finish our rattle. So I've put a little detail work right here on the handle, get a little bit of texture. And I'm gonna try something that I've never done before, is use a piece of twine or rope to burn in these coves or grooves. And I commented on JP Woodworks, one of his videos, and he said that guitar string works pretty well. And I don't have any guitar strings at the moment, but I've got this, and I think it'll work. It's friction based. It's going to darken, or it's going to char the wood. So hopefully this will work. So try it out and see. Oh, yes. Alright, there you go. That's it. There's the baby rattle. Check that out. Man, it turned out so much better than I expected it to. I'm really happy with this one, and I can't wait till my son gets to play with it for the first time. Since he's only days old, it'll be a little bit before I'll let him have this thing. But man alive, look at that thing. That is awesome. Cool. Alright, thanks for checking out the video. If you liked it, comment down below. Tell me what you liked about it. If you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know, man. I'm all open for suggestions. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out, and it helps my channel out. I just want to say I appreciate every single view that I get on this channel. I'm really enjoying this process. So until next time, see you guys.